Are you looking for ways to help increase your winnings while playing your favorite Megaways slots? Then look no further, because we've got you covered. Hi guys, I'm Eric from Canada Casino. In today's video, we're going to be going over the top 3 winning strategies for Megaways slots. But before jumping straight into the video, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future online casino content. The first thing you want to look at before picking your Megaways slot is the game's RTP, otherwise known as the return to player percentage. This number tells you how much you can expect the game to pay out over a certain amount of time. Our advice is to always look for Megaways that offer a high RTP. This is extremely important because in the end, it determines your winnings. Picking a slot with a high RTP already puts you in a great position for potentially winning higher payouts. So look for Megaways with an RTP of at least 95% or higher. Lower than that isn't worth your money.
You can keep your money.
After RTP comes the Volatility, also known as the Variance. You want to keep an eye out for this figure, as it lets you know how frequently and how large the Megaways pays out. Choosing a slot with a high volatility automatically increases your chances of winning that big jackpot. Jackpot! But keep in mind, high volatility Megaways slots come with high risks. Since the payouts are so huge, they happen much less frequently than other types of slots. So if you do win, it will be big. You can get more information about RTP, volatility, and everything you need to know about slots at our website, canadacasino.ca, the best place for online casino guides. So make sure to check it out. Our last piece of advice for playing Megaways is to try and calculate the probability of how much you could potentially win. It sounds complicated, but it's actually way easier than you think, and it makes a big difference in the end. It's the slot doing this calculation for you as you play. But here's how you can do it yourself. Just multiply the number of symbols per reel in the game, and that's it. Here's an example. You're playing a standard 6 reel slot with 7 symbols per reel. Multiply 7 by 7 6 times and you get 117,649. Easy. This means you have 117,649 potential winning combinations. If you're playing a Megaways game with a different amount of reels and symbols, just follow the same formula and you'll find the number of potential wins in no time. So, what do you think of Megaways slots? Have you tried them yet? Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, ring that bell, and don't forget to view our previously posted videos. I'm Eric from Canada Casino, and I'll see you guys next time.